Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Inta Karatul Umma. My study ID 152500695 from class 15 to A05. Today, I will present my journal review titled Embedded Systems Design for High-Speed Data Acquisition and Control. Let me start with the research topic. This journal discusses how to design a high-speed embedded system for real-time data acquisition and closed-loop control by combining FPGA hardware acceleration with an ARM processor running FreeRTOS. This topic is important because real-time data processing is a core requirement for Industry 4.0, IoT, and smart manufacturing. It also breaks the gap between conventional microcontroller and today high-speed data remains is directly applicable to fields such as aerospace, biomedicine, telecommunication, and autonomous vehicle. Now let me introduce the article. The title is Embedded System Design for High-Speed Data Acquisition and Control, written by J. M. Ramirez, S. K. Patel, and L. T. Nguyen. It was published in the Transition and Industrial Electronics in 2023 with I with DOI 6.1109 TEA 2023.3265410. The keyboard are FPGA, RTOS, and data expression, DMI, DMI, PCIe, and ADC. The research objective is to design and implement a heterogeneous FPGA and ARM FreeRTOS embedded architecture that is capable of high speed, low latency data acquisition, and real-time closed loop control. Let me summarize the article in three parts: method, findings, and conclusion. Method: the author proposed a heterogeneous architecture that combines an FPGA with an ARM Cortex, a processor running FreeRTOS, time-critical tasks such as ADC interfacing, digital filtering, and DMA transfer are offloaded to the FPGA fabric, while the ARM processor handles high higher level system management and communication. Main findings: George careful signal integrity engineering using interface like GNSD, 205B and PCIe. The system supports some link that is a throughput of 3.2 gigabytes per second and control loop latency of only 451 second. Motion, this FPGA ARM design significantly outperforms existing state-of-the-art embedded architecture for real-time high-speed intrudential data acquisition and control. Research methods and technologies. The author uses several research methods, MATLAB, and Simulink for system modeling SIM for FPGA, RTL simulation, hardware in the loop, or HIL testing for time experimental validation, and a 12-layer PCB designed to maintain signal integrity. In terms of technology, the hardware includes a Xilinx XCVU5P FPGA, a Texas Instruments ADC12DC 3200 and an ARM Cortex A53 processor. The software stack consists of three RTOS and the software stack consists of FreeTOS, MATLAB, and Model Slam. And for communication, the system relies on JASP 205B and PCIe GEM3 interfaces. Research findings. Here are the case results. Validation through hardware in the loop testing. Data throughput reached 3.2 gigabytes per second. Control loop latency was only 450 nanoseconds. Signal to noise ratio received 16.3 dBps. CPU actualization stayed efficient at 14.2%, and the system remained stable for 17 hours of continuous testing. These numbers show that the process system is both fast and reliable for real-time embedded applications. Critical analysis. Now let's look at the strength and weakness of this journal. Strength, it offers a comprehensive technical discussion, strong experimental validation as a real prototype, strong industrial relevance, and a clear explanation of engineering trade-offs, making it a useful reference for embedded system research. Weakness, on the other hand, the journal has limited scalability analysis. It does discuss software security aspects. Its benchmark comparisons are limited. The implementation cost is high and long-term reliability testing is still limited. Overall, I think this article is very useful as a technical reference as specifically for engineers who need performance, performance, performance numbers. Even Dutch future work should address scalability and security. Reflection. Finally, let me share my reflection on this journal. New knowledge I learned how FPGA and ARM processor can be combined in the heterogeneous architecture, separating time-critical hardware takes from high higher-level software management to active real-time control. IT vocabulary I learned FPGA, RTOS, DNA, PCIe, GASD to 04B, ADC, charge port, latency, signal integrity, and hardware in the loop or IL testing. Real-life application, this kind of architecture and be applied directly in introduction, automation, telecommunication, and scientific instrumentation anywhere that requires space, reliable real-time data processing. That concludes my presentation. Thank you very much for listening and I'm answer any question.